It's cold on your lips. Too cold to touch with your lips. Too cold. Too cold. Whee! Okay, let's run. Come on over here, Lucy. You're such a good walker. You want to go up this mountain?
What are you gonna do with your snowball, Sadie? What are you gonna do with your snowball, Sadie?
How high do you want to go?
You wanna throw your snowball seeds? You wanna taste it?
Whoa, look how high you climbed. Wee, look where we are.
Hi!
Hi, Sadie.
Hi, Sadie. Uh-oh.
Whoa.